Oh, 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 what do you think you're doing, man? Huh? Huh? What's that on the middle, huh? Huh? You see, what's that? What's that? You gonna tell me what to do? I think that's supposed to give me a hint of what he was doing. I used a sneak attack move. I could barely see. I died. I don't know if I should risk going or... What's this? Oh! Oh, for... wait. What? I just turn the lights off? Can't turn it back on? No? Do I leave now? I don't want to touch those. Where am I supposed to go? Am I supposed to go in there? Maybe if I try shooting them. No, it works in Call of Duty. Should work in life. Stand back. Oh! Oh, well, it does! Sick! No, that's flash. That's slow-mo. It's really hard to play a game you haven't played for months. Come back. You're not perfect. There we go. Body armor. Exactly what I was looking for. Lockers. Playboy of the month. The wrench. Should have seen that one coming. Laptop.
Alright, it's uploading. Remember that wastewater report? A little more info here. Contamination seems to originate in the Auburn area. That place is practically deserted nowadays. Probably not a coincidence.
Okay. Yeah, I totally agree with you. Whatever you just said. Freaking metal boxes here. Out of nowhere in the corner. Just conspicuous. Lock. Yeah. Chip. I can do this. There we go. You took some good. Ooh, ATS proximity grenade. You might have to take that. I don't know if this is the right area or not. Ah, it's dark now. Why do they do this? I think I'm going the right way. I think. What's this? ASP rifle. Oh, thick. It's like a sniper scope. Or shoot. I'll team my shotgun. That doesn't have that much ammo. Pick that up though. The APS, the health booster. Sorry. No. No. Oh man. Sorry. Pick up some more bombs. Why? Come on. People, sanitary. Need a janitor to clean this place up. Custodian. Break! Break! Thank you. Took you long enough. Where am I? Alright, that's the door I broke, so we go down here. Now we're making some progress. No. Shh. Shh. Oh, that light scared me. I thought there was someone coming. Don't do that to me. Oh! Get back! I shoot you! And I shoot you again! Until you've been played nice! Oh, there's more of you guys. Alright, let me reload. Guys, calm down. Take a break. It's freaking explosions. Is that everyone? I do believe that's everyone. Got some machine guns here. Got some health. I'm gonna use that health. Pick up that health. Got a freaking phone off the line here. People always put the thing back on the thing so it doesn't waste electricity. God damn people. No respect Mother Nature. Oh, there's people out here. Why does this game want to torture me? What do they do to cause this maniacal stuff? I'm gonna search first though, and there might be some cool stuff. There's a grenade, can't pick that. Another ASP rifle. Oh, finally, light armor. Alright, let's go outside. I guess we have to face those guys. No choice. The blood and the guts. They come to the slaughter. Oh, oh, come on. No, no, this calls for a grenade. Lights on, grenade. Out. I'm glad that was the grenade button. Who's shooting me? Oh. I really gotta pay attention more. I really do if I want to stay alive. I thought I killed you guys. Come on. I didn't pay you guys enough to live. That was a little much. I shouldn't do that. Oh, it's life. Calm down. If you get shot, you get sucked with blood. Now, did I finally finish you all? Is that everyone? Good? Are you happy? Is everyone okay with this? Is the verdict fine? Okay, let's move on. I got the penetrator and conspicuous valve here. That door's blocked. I see some stuff behind it, so that's out of the question. So we continue onwards. What's that? Oh, machine guns. Of course. Alright. This is getting really dark. Ah, I just hear voices. I hear lights out and people. Oh, God. What do you want? Can't handle the awesomeness of me. Oh no, big guy. Big guy, big guy, big guy. I need some more heavy power, firepower. Shotgun's good enough. Let's do it! For the team! Oh. Oh, I killed the guy behind it by accident. My bad. Killed the guy in front of him. My bad. Just die. Sounds like a freaking dragon. Holy crap. What are you trying to do? Scare me? Because it's working. Who's shooting me? Jeez. Of course need help. Look what I got. I got a freaking shotgun. You're like, oh, you should kill us all. Really need some help though. There. Are we happy? Is everyone happy? And you will not see me doing that again for a while. I always think that's a health booster. And my flashlight right now.
Tomcat, this is Code 7. Heard somebody needed a ride. Got any utility for me yet? I'm showing a decent-sized yard just ahead of my point man's current position. Only problem is there's an enemy gunship sitting there at the moment. I'll keep you advised. Roger.
Oh, freaking enemy gunships are on their way. Come on. I'm a good guy with good people. Getting a lot of ammo for that big penetrator. I should really start using it. So gunships are on their way to kill me? Is this like, am I a one-man army? It's like, that's what happens to all first-person shooters. There's always one guy who does so much more better than the rest. And they always get targeted. Like if I was the one-man guy, I would be dead from the first guy that showed up. Maybe the second guy. I'm not saying I'm super awesome. I might, but sometimes things don't work that way. Fizzy cola. Dice squish. I don't know. I don't know. Don't ask me to read that kind of stuff. Checkpoint. Let's move on. Lights, camera, action. No one. Absolutely no one. Let me in. I can't do sweet matrix to the window. Jump in. Nope. Well, how's your life? My life's boring. I can't roll. I can't do combat rolls out windows. I think they have a problem with that. It's really dark. I really need the flashlight. Ooh. Are you kidding me? That was like the best combat roll jump thing I've ever done in my entire life. That's amazing. Oh. That must have hurt. Oh, that's a car. And we just back up. Do I have a rocket launcher? Can I just like blow the thing to Kingdom Come? Oh, I forgot those things shoot like giant needles, nails. Oh, come on. That's a grenade. Oh. Ow. Oh, I'm really sorry for that happening. Oh, freaking I don't have much slow-mo. I don't like that. I need more. Yeah, I need a freaking med kit. No, give me another weapon. That's a good weapon. Ah! I'm wasting my grenades on one guy. Die already. God. Human tanks. There we go. Finally, you're dead. Come here, come here. Seriously? Is there any more? Are you over? Fear is too hard for me. Thank you. It's like, I don't think trucks look like that in the inside. Just black box. How could they see if they were driving down the road?
Good. Head to ATC headquarters and find battle.
Ah, and there's a helicopter. Is that the enemy helicopter? Oh no. Go. Oh, thank God that was. Oh, I got an achievement. Water treatment facility. So I'm out. F.E.A.R operative is en route to Armacam of SFODD escort. F.E.A.R technical officers on standby. The team will make rooftop entry via helicopter. Battle remains top priority. F.E.A.R port man will try locating missing SFODD team. I have to go into an apartment building? Are you kidding me? I don't exactly. Oh. Are you kidding me? 2 men down. Why? Why did I deserve such bad luck? I will not like the feeling of being penetrated. Oh, that guy stuck against the wall. How much guys are there? This isn't a horror game, this is action-packed. Are we done?